Hello viewers, and for you today I have something a little bit different than what I normally have here on this coin channel. We have some diamonds that I purchased. And we're going to open it up and see what we've got in this lot of diamonds. Well, that's interesting. We get a gem testing report. Okay. I'm kind of underwhelmed. I thought we were getting about 11 or 12 of these diamonds, not 2. But as you may have guessed, these are not natural diamonds that were cut. These are lab-grown diamonds, and I mostly got them to do some laser experiments with. But I thought it would be interesting to see what lab-grown diamonds from India were like. We'll see what they're like out of the box. Got a nice little case though. Oh my, there it just looks okay. Let's not lose those. And they're sticking by static electricity to the plastic. Well, this is what they look like under magnification. Very nice shape. Very nice clarity to them. Okay, I'm going to try and hold it still. This is me holding a loop over the diamonds so that we can look at them under magnification. Very nice. Okay, we have the 2 diamonds there against a white background. And just to show you, I'm not sure how well this is going to pick up. It might overload the iris of the camera, the photo sensor, whatever it is. You can see how it deflects the laser beam. Okay, here we have one of the diamonds in this pair of pliers, and I'm going to turn the laser on. You can see what kind of patterns we get from it. That comes across even better on the camera than it does in real life. Look at that. Unfortunately, it does not focus and increase the beam there to make it burn even better. Oh, I smell something burning. What am I burning? Well, I think that's all the experiments we'll do for today with the laser and the new diamonds that I got. I don't know if you can see there, I burned the foam that was in the case a little bit with the laser. Whoops. Well, it gave us a free gift with this too. It's a piece of onyx. Overall, this was not a big investment. I paid about $11 for these 2 diamonds made in a lab. I particularly liked how the laser was scattered and dispersed by the diamonds, though. So, let me know what you think about this video. Put any questions or comments down below. Let me know if you like this kind of video. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Good night.